First, start with insert operation. There are basically three insert methods. We will cover one by one. Let's first start with insert one method. So let's first enter into our DB shell, Mongo, and what databases do we have already. These are the basically databases we have, and let's enter into one of the database. We will use Twitter, and let's see what collections do we have. So basically we have already one collection. Let's try to create one more collection and try to insert documents in it. So we will be using insert one method to insert the document. These are the properties Mike have. And let's hit enter. Acknowledge true and inserted ID this. So basically our command runs successfully, and let's see if the document is inserted properly or not. As we can see, there is only one document in the collection user, and that is Mike. So document is inserted properly with the help of insert one method. Now let's go to the second method, that is insert many. If you want to insert more than one document at a time, then this method will be used. One thing to remember, whenever you are inserting more than one documents at a time, you have to make it as array. You have to pass it as an array of objects. So name will be like John, age will be like 34, gender male, acknowledge true. So this document is also inserted successfully. Let's try to find if this is inserted successfully. As you can see, there are two documents in total, so John is also inserted properly. This method can be used to insert single document as well as let's try to insert more than one document. Now name Joy, age 18, and gender female. Now we are trying to insert two documents at a time, and let's see if it is going to run successfully. As you can see, acknowledge true and inserted IDs. So as you can see, there are two inserted IDs, so I think documents are inserted successfully. As you can see, when we try to find the documents, Joy and John again is inserted successfully. Now let's go to the third method to insert documents, that is insert. So I'm using already written commands. Inserted work. So this is also inserted successfully. Let's see Michael. So basically insert method can be used to insert one document or more than one document. And if you remember, if you want to insert more than one document, you have to pass them as an array. Let's try to pass these two documents at a time. And make them an array of objects. Inserted 2. So let's try to see Hike and Michael both are inserted. You can see 2 times Michael, so both are inserted properly. So basically these are 3 methods which insert one, insert many, and insert. Insert one is basically used to insert one document at a time. Insert many will help you to pass a document as an array where you can pass more than one document at a time, and insert can be used to insert one document at a time or more than one document at a time. So one thing to remember, whenever you insert any document in any of the collections in the MongoDB, there you will see an underscore ID, which is object ID. Basically, object ID is created, you can pass by yourself, otherwise MongoDB driver will create this underscore ID, object ID, by itself automatically. So basically it is also the primary key in all the documents. Basically it is also a unique key which is added by MongoDB driver automatically if you don't pass this by yourself. And these are the 3 methods which are used to insert the documents. Thank you.